welcome back to my channel. I'm ReyRey. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this edgy hairdo right here. It looks complicated, but it's very easy to do. I hope you guys enjoy, and before I forget, make sure you subscribe. Now let's get straight to the tutorial.
I'm gonna start off by sectioning the front part of my hair using this rat tail comb, and it should look like this. And I'm grabbing a hair tie to take it out of the way. Then I'm gonna divide the rest of my hair into 3 sections. To be honest, it was a struggle to style my hair the way I wanted to because my hair was not blow dried, and the reason I didn't blow dry it was because I didn't want to apply a heat on it, so it took me longer to separate and make sure the sections were perfectly divided. Now that I have my hair divided into 4 sections, I'm gonna untie this section, grab a spray bottle and spritz just a little bit of water so my hair doesn't get too dry, because in order for my hair to be very slick down, I'm gonna have to use some hair gel, and quite a lot because my hair is that stubborn. And the gel that I'm using is the Ecostyling gel, Jamaican black castor oil and flaxseed oil. It doesn't dry my hair out, and when I'm done applying the gel, I'm gonna use a bristle brush to make sure my hair is slicky slick, then use a hair tie and make it just a little bit tight. I'm gonna follow the exact same steps for the 2 other sections. And it should look like this. I'm gonna go back and use a smaller bristle brush to make my parting look neat. Moving on to the hair, the one I'm using is Q Premium 100% Kanekalon Soft and Volume Braiding Hair, and this is a whole pack. I've already wrapped a hair tie in the middle, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie it to the second section. Then take out a little piece and wrap it around my ponytail so the hair tie won't show, and use a bobby pin to secure it. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna flip my hair back so it kind of lays and hides my hair. Then divide the hair into 3 sections and start making my cornrow. As you go, you want to make sure the braid is tight enough because you don't want your hair to be showing, especially in my case. And as you can see, I'm making sure that my hair stays underneath the braiding hair. So make it as tight as possible, and once I'm done, I'm going to use a rubber band to secure the braid. Moving on to the very front part of my hair, I'm going to twist it like this and place it right next to where I started the braid so it blends, and I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure it. I think this is called a pompadour, something like that. Then I'm going to grab my rat tail comb again and take a little piece of hair out, then use some gel to curl it. Lay my baby hair as well using the little bristle brush, and finally add some hair jewelry to add more life to this hairstyle. It doesn't quite look perfect, but it's still one of my favorite hairdos, and like I said, it would have looked better if my hair was straight, but hey, it was my very first time doing this and I think I did good. What do you think?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and make sure you stay tuned every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye.